GoPro, compliment me.
You're so sexy.
Thank you, GoPro. GoPro, keep filming. Don't change. GoPro, give me my voice back. Help me out here. What are you doing, Cole?
Nothing. You can't see this proprietary
Proprietary software. Boop. Y'all met Wiggy before? Wiggy. Wiggy has cool little booties. Not actually booties, it's just his fur color. So what happened to your wheel? You want to show people how dangerous your wheel is?
I need to get the car aligned, I
Think it's out of alignment a little?
Well, a little bit in the rear because I have it sitting on the ground when these tires are.
That's what she said.
I have it lowered 2 inches below the lowest setting. And I never bothered to get it aligned. I just rotate the tires, but I didn't.
Yes, I lost my voice because the Eagles won the Super Bowl. Boo Tom Brady.
Here, show them this.
It's cool.
Did some more work on this 2x72 belt sander.
So, what is it?
It's a 2x72 belt sander. Look.
What is it?
This is the adjuster for tracking on the belt. So adjust it left and right so your belt doesn't slide off. And spring loaded.
No one likes a slidey belt.
Motor's mounted. But now I gotta make this thing. And that's a whole lot more work. And I don't have any more steel. So I'm kind of at a standstill at the moment.
Raw steel and sex appeal, baby.
Yeah. It's heavy. It's heavy. I did rewire the motor so it spins in the right direction now. It was spinning backwards, now it's spinning forward.
It's probably smart.
Captain. It's nice and smooth.
I think that was making the noise.
Poppy noise. Not that poppy.
Not the man. So,
Yeah, I'm losing my mojo. I'm like, after I got this far, and I know I need to tweak this, bend it a little bit. I'll have to heat it and bend it so it's all in the line. And when I got the plans for the front platen, I'm like, man, I'm over this thing. Yep, it's a lot of hand cutting and fitting and drilling and lining. And when you weld it, you gotta be careful not to warp it.
we're doing a pretty good job of content creating today, right?
Doing it. It's about as good as my motivation today. They basically got the spring on this. That's about all I got done.
There you go.
That's your tensioner, so your belt goes over it like this.
It's a nice spring, but I would say it's more like fall.
rear fall. And then there'll be two belts, two pulleys up here, and that puts tension on it there. I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah, hopefully you get this thing finished and it works.
That would be very disappointing. You're like, no, don't want to work. Yeah, it's just a lot of work, a lot of tweaking. That's for show.
GoPro, do something. That was good. GoPro, stop recording. Did it not even do that? He hates my voice.
GoPro, stop recording.
Found another piece of steel that I didn't think I had. So I'm cutting to make another box for the tabletop. For the bands, for the sander. Belt sander. So I'm gonna make this guy here. But I only thought I had enough for that one piece, so I stopped.
Wait, you were wrong.
I was wrong. I was wrong. In fact, I was wrong. So, oh, I gotta grab So this is what I'm saying. Like, there's a lot of these little pieces you have to make. And you're basically making this box tube so that you could slide it over top of this, because there's not a commercially available one that's in 3/8 steel thickness. You can get one with quarter, which honestly I think would be plenty, but there's a little bit of play in it, a little bit more than that. So I have to put a 45-degree angle on it at 3 1/4 inch in. So there's a lot of this. 3 1/4, 4 1/4, 3 1/4. A lot of this, which is very tedious. And it's fine to do if time is of no constraint to you. T-squared. I never see any of this. Dan.
Huh?
None of the viewers are seeing any of this. So just the time it takes to do that. Just takes time. And there's like lots of pieces like this. Lots of pieces.
Maybe you and me.
I'm just at solid at 45.
You're hot. Yep.
Hot.
You want me to put them?
I'll sit them over there. I etched it the wrong way. That's alright. This is the guideline.
I'm forgetting I'm holding the GoPro.
Well, that's not even close to 45. It's 3 1/4, not 3 3/4. So my line's off. And that's why, kids,
Measure twice, cut once.
you mark it. Because then you can visually see when it doesn't line up. And you go, something's not right. Alright. Now we got it. Oh yeah, she's good now. Sort of. It's just a rough guideline. As long as I hit that first point, the 45 will take care of the rest. Two for the price of one. These little 45s.
That's what I did. So that was a wuss. I took it like a man, whatever that means.
So these will get tacked up around this guy. It looks like 30 thou shims. This gets. It looks like I might need a lot more piece on that one. Yeah, I'm going to have to cut one longer to fit this length here. And 2-inch. This is all 1.25 inches or 1.5 inches. So I'll do that tomorrow. Work on that. But basically, that's making the table here. That's what we're working on, making this table. So we're working on making this attachment here, this guy here. So the table slides in. So what we're doing is making that. I already made this box, which is here. So that'll get bolted onto that platen or that solid steel arm that's sticking out there. So we just need to make this, the rest of this up. And here's the tabletop that the customer wanted to use. And that should fit around, not this, but the 2-inch belt. Like that. It'll be wider. And then you can also take it and turn it around that way. Cross that bridge when we get to her. Fun.
I'm awake now. What'd you say? You didn't like that comment.
It's time to go.
All right. Well, congrats to the Eagles for winning the Super Bowl. Damn, still stoked about that. Can't tell I'm an Eagles fan. Like, subscribe, call them following you, and you just keep on walking away. Oh. Like, subscribe, tell your friends.
Tell your friends.
Share this video if you find some uplifting content that changes your life.
Yes.
And
'cause that's what we're all about.
Be nice to people.
Lives.
Be nice to people? Is that
Yes.
okay.
Oh, sure.
All right, you gave me a weird look after I said that.
No, be nice.
All right. Be nice. Be something to people.
So bring your A game, cause you know this party won't stop. We could never run out of time, sipping strawberry lime, you know